This rich and savory roll will make your taste buds jump. Made with bacon, sausage, and veggies, this roll will make a great impression. If you want to know how I did it, just keep watching. In a pot, I place 5 medium-sized potatoes and then I cover them with water. Then I bring it to a boil and cook them until tender. I peel, wash and chop 1.5 carrot. I bring to a boil 4 cups of water. Then I add the carrots and I cook them for 5 minutes. I add the peas and cook for 3 more minutes. Then I drain them and set it aside. When the potatoes are nice and tender, I drain them and peel them. Then I remove any imperfection. And then at the end, I chop them in small pieces. To 1 pound of ground pork, I had half a pound of ground sausage. And then I mix very well the two meats together. Then I add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And then I mix salt and pepper into the meat. It's time to assemble the roll. I create a base with part of the meat. Then I place the filling in the center. And then I cover everything with the rest of the pork. As a final touch, I cover the roll with bacon. Here I had to cut the bacon in half because it was too long. I place it on top and I press a little bit on the sides so it sticks nicely. After this cutie it's all covered up, I bake it at 365 for 25 to 30 minutes. Then I turn the broil on and I roast it for 3 minutes on high. And here is the piggy roll, full of bacon, flavored with sausage, and you even sneaked in some veggies. So your kids and grandkids have to eat them. It comes with the recipe. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.